smartphone performance really a reason to upgrade anymore? For many people, today's phones are already so powerful that upgrading doesn't feel necessary, and that says a lot about how the smartphone industry has evolved. A few years ago, flagship phones were almost entirely driven by new processors. Every time a faster chip arrived, brands launched a new flagship to showcase the performance boost. But today, the situation has changed. Modern flagship chips are already incredibly capable, and year-over-year performance gains have become much smaller. We've reached a point where improvements are more refined than revolutionary. Even a well-optimized flagship processor can easily handle demanding games and stay reliable for years. So, how does the K100 Pro Max perform in real-world gaming? We put it through several popular titles. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Starting with Genshin Impact, after 30 minutes of gameplay, the phone delivered an impressive average of 59.91 FPS while maintaining extremely stable performance throughout the test. Next came the more demanding Honkai Impact 3rd. After another 30-minute session, the average frame rate reached 59.67 FPS with virtually no noticeable fluctuations, proving just how consistent the performance is. Power efficiency was equally impressive. During our Genshin Impact test, the phone consumed only 3.7 watts, which is exceptionally low. Honkai Impact 3rd required just 6 watts, and even after extended gaming, the device stayed around 43 degrees Celsius, making it comfortable to hold without feeling overly hot. Once raw performance is no longer the challenge, the focus shifts to creating a better gaming experience. That's exactly where the K100 Pro Max stands out. Instead of simply offering more power, it enhances gameplay with an ultra-high 185Hz display refresh rate. The difference is easy to notice. In CrossFire Mobile, you can enable the highest graphics settings while running at the full 185Hz refresh rate. The result is incredibly fluid gameplay. During our 30-minute test, the frame rate remained consistently high from start to finish, with no signs of hardware limitations. But what if you don't play Crossfire? Does the 185Hz display become useless? Not at all. Popular games like Delta Force and Valorant already support a native 165Hz mode. Thanks to Redmi's built-in D2 dedicated graphics chip, those games can be enhanced to run at 185Hz, delivering an experience that's virtually identical to native 185Hz with exceptionally smooth visuals. Battery life is another area where it performs confidently. In our testing, 30 minutes of Genshin Impact used just 6% of the battery, half an hour of regular internet browsing consumed 7%, Crossfire Mobile used 8%, and Honkai Impact 3rd drained only 12%. These are excellent efficiency results, and when paired with the massive 9070 mAh battery, this generation offers battery life you can depend on throughout the day. So, is the K100 Pro Max simply another small yearly upgrade? I don't think that's the case. This generation focuses on refined software optimization to deliver an even better gaming experience while also improving power efficiency and thermal management. It also feels like Redmi has shifted its philosophy. Instead of only chasing impressive specification sheets, the company now seems much more focused on delivering a better real-world experience. That's a meaningful change, and it's one that users will actually notice. Because of that, I believe the K100 Pro Max won't just shine in gaming, it should also deliver an excellent experience in everyday use. We'll be covering the phone in much more detail, including its overall performance and other exciting upgrades in our upcoming review videos. So, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!